Hello everyone, I'm Michelle. Welcome to another video. Today we're going to look at the Potomac's Best Bead Box for the month of August, and it's a monthly subscription box. You know, as with any of the other subscription boxes, different prices for different amounts of time that you subscribe. So there will be a link below, a referral link below, and that'll take you straight to the box. You can check it out and see what's right for you. Okay, let's take a look. When you open the box, it's how it comes, and the theme is Purple Mountain Majesty, and then on the back is the product list. Then we have one pattern, free pattern that comes with it. That's a Zion necklace. Yep, that's pretty cool. It's got nice colored instructions, easy to read and easy to follow. Alright, so let's take a look at the beads for the ingredients for the pattern first. Okay, one Zion necklace pattern, we've already went through that. 5 grams Mayuki seed beads, 11 O's. Let's see, I've got a couple of things of 11 O's here. Let's see. I would say that it's this one, because this is more like 5 grams. The other one's only 3 grams. And this is Silverline Light Blush. Isn't that pretty? The silver line just really pops, doesn't it? Just makes your beads really pop. Alright, and then we have 3 grams Mayuki seed beads, 11 O's, and these are galvanized light champagne, Durcoat, kind of goes, you know, it's got that rosish, goldish color to it. So there's 2 sets of 11 O's. Then we have 6 3/4 inch strand gemstone round bead strand, 6 millimeter. And this is Goldstone. Got them sparkles in there. Okay, and then we have 60 Potomac crystal bicones, 4 millimeter, and they are cream opal. Very pretty color. Very pretty. And they're bicones. Let me get a good look. They're not as rounded at the holes as I'd like, but I don't see any sharp edges either. Okay, but that's gorgeous color. And then we have one cup button, which I love cup buttons for clasps. Look at that. And what color is this? Copper. It says 5-pack on here. It's a 14 millimeter cut button, but there's just one cut button. Alright, and now the rest of the beads for the stash. 50 rose gold plated bead caps, filigree, 6mm. And these are premium 24 karat rose gold plated. They look nice. They have a pretty color to them. Six grams check glass feather beads, 5 by 17mm. These are opaque lavender. Let's see, opaque lavender, travertine fuchsia. I knew there had to be more to that because they have a pretty color to them. That brown, and it's like brown feathers with a pink wash is what it looks like to me, a fuchsia wash. So pretty. Those are cool. Really cool. Okay. Then we have 50 Potomac pearls, 4mm. I've never seen or used the pearls from Potomac Bead Company, so let's check them out. They are sand, 4mm. They look really pretty. Look at that. Not bad. They look nice. Look at that glow. They've got a nice shine to them. All right. 7 grams Mayuki seed beads, 8 O's. These are crystal silver line. We've gotten these, I think, before a lot, the crystal silver line. Those are just your basic, but those are 8 O's, so a different size there. So we got 11 O's and 8 O's. Okay, and then we have 50 rose gold plated spacer beads, 2 by 3mm. These are tiny. Stainless steel metal spacer beads, 24 karat rose gold plated. Those are really pretty. You know, it's supposed to be the same finish basically as the bead caps. Good. Very good. Then we have 5 rose gold plated spring class, 6mm. Let's see, it's 24 karat rose gold plated. Yeah, those are the little claspies that you pull back the trigger. It's like a lobster claw, but it's round. Three grams check glass faceted rounds, 4mm. Jet purple iris. I think they're fire polish. They're really pretty color. They look like a metallic. Purples and greens. Really pretty. Put them there. And 50 Potomac crystal rondelles, 3x4mm. And they are crystal. That's what the color says, crystal. But they have some silver on them. Looks like half crystal, half silver, or half Labrador. I think we got these in a previous box. And those will go well with those Silverline crystal for sure. Okay. 50 Potomac crystal cubes, 3mm. Oh, cute. Let's see. Opal. Those are tiny little cubes. Really cute. And 100 Potomac crystal rondelles, 1.5x2mm. And they are in Alexandrite. Tiny, tiny but tiny beads. I love them. I love the color of Alexandrite. It's like the gemstone turns Alexandrite, turns from green to red, purple color. The ones that are not gemstone, the glass one, Alexandrite, seems to be a purple blue. Reminds me of tanzanite, lighter colored tanzanite in a way. Okay, so there is our box, our best bead box for the month of August. I will try to design some pieces and I'll make a video. So thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.